up, guys. Don, Todd, Chris, Z, Kenny, Zach, Craig, and Josh. Okay, here we go. All right, guys, let's have a clean start. Let's make the first lap without any crashes. Okay, here we go. Clean on the toe. Todd making the move. Tap on the straight. Be careful. It gets cleared. Good job, guys. A little bit of tap on these first couple laps. Todd wants to aggressive move, get that lead in turn 3. Whew. Tap and Z around Chris. That was a reaction. All the way around. Whew. More Drew, Z, Nichols, McKinney, Moline, Brown, McMullen. 1 minute down, 5 still to go. Todd opening up a bit of a gap here. Nichols trying to get back by Z for that 3 spot. Moline pulls in the gap. Oh, a little bounce out. Oh, 4th and 5th getting together. Moline survives, makes up another spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Holding up on Don now in the 2 spot. And he gaining ground as well. And 45 down. 15 still to go. And this is split 2 spot. He's in a big run down the straightaway. Moves up around the circle. And the chicane is right there. Once again, a big run down the straightaway. And 54 personal best to Don right there. Nichols has got 10:43 fast lap of the race. And Nichols closing on this 2-3 battle, so we got 2, 3, 4, 5 down the straightaway. Dearmore's opened up a bit of a gap. It's up almost to a 1.5 seconds. And once again, right under the rear wing of Drew's going down the straightaway. On a little bounce, but he's not close enough to capitalize. Oh, they get together. It's going to move Moline up to the 3 spot. Careful onto the straightaway, onto the straightaway, onto the straightaway, onto the straightaway. Clear, clear. Now he's still on the race to the 2 spot. It's just Z and Moline now. Dearmore's opened up a full straightaway advantage. .45 left to go. Leader right through. Zeta opened up a bit of a gap on Craig with a tap. 1.3 between Todd and Z right now. And a second to Moline, and 3 seconds to Brown, and a second to McKinney, half a second to Drews. 1.7. Oh, coming off the circle. Coming off the circle. Be careful. All clear, all clear. Z now pulls that gap to 1.1 up front. With 2 minutes and 8 seconds left to go. Trying to close in, using McKinney to get his draft down the straightaway. He's closing up on him as well. And now it is 4/10 between the top 2 with 1 minute and 45 seconds left to go. Top 3 separated by 1.6 seconds as they cross the line. 1 minute and 35 seconds left to go. Dearmore and Z closing that gap at 5 car lengths through the chicane. Just a quarter second at the line. A minute 25 now. Much tighter into that chicane, closes right up. 2 cars between them at the line. And Moline closing the gap as well. Oh man. It's a second over the top 3, 8/10 actually right now. He's all over him. He gets together with Beardmore, and Moline's going to come along with him into the 2 spot. Beardmore falls to 3rd. 50 seconds left to go. 5/10 the gap. 40 seconds. It's 82 to 1084. Little bounce from the winners, and gives you a big gap of 25 seconds left to go. It's a second. And we should both make it back to the line and get one more. 1.1 at the line. Let's see. Yeah, they both make it. 1-0. Done at the line, guys. And G can take the victory. Moline second from the 7th spot. Beardmore 3rd, then Brown, Drews, Nichols, McQueen, and McCullough. All right, top 3. G, Moline, and Beardmore for a picture.